Hello, I'm going to attempt to turn this 1 foot long carrot into a giant flower and powering it with a drill to see if we can make a giant carrot flower and score one on the site there. Drill on high speed, put it right in the end there. Okay. That's pretty cool. We got a giant flower. I'm going to put this together. Be right back. Okay, there you go. That's the whole carrot right there. Carrot flower. Okay, so that right there is my carrot celery garnish. Cool, huh? Yeah. So if you're stuffing your celery on the opposite side, very simple. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut a little off at a little angle like this. Save these scraps, of course. It's all going to get used. And I'm going to just do another quick pattern, something like this. And then this is just going to add a little more coolness and a little different texture, but people are going to go, wow, never seen that before. Hey, that's right. Here you go. That's a pretty cool looking piece of celery right there. And then same deal with the carrot. So you want to switch it up and add a little carrot. We're going to just do a couple thin slices. Man, I'm talking thin slices. Look at that. So I don't think you can go any thinner than that. Not if you're moving quickly. Okay, there you go. 2 celery carrot garnishes. Yeah, from another angle. There you go. Pretty cool. I like them, and you can use these, like I said, catering or at a party. Very simple, very, very inexpensive. Yeah. Nice.